Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this interesting SAT equation. If 16 plus 4x is 10 more than 14, what is the value of 8x? So you have the expression 16 plus 4x, which is 10 more than 14. So it means for you to say that 16 plus 4x is equal to 14, it means you have to add 10 to it. So now it's just a matter of collecting like terms, where we have 4x is equal to 14 plus 10. And then you take 16 to the right, becomes negative 16. So therefore you have that 4x is equal to 24 minus 16, which is 8. Now just divide both sides by 4, so that you have x being equal to 2. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe.